Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Huawei Nova 5 and Nova 5T. So first of all, you have to off your phone, and after if it's completely off, we need the power button and the volume up button. If you press these both buttons now for the same time, you have to hold these buttons. Keep on holding it until we see the Huawei logo. It should come soon, there it is, and leave now the buttons, and then we have to wait for the next step, and it will take a few seconds, but it's absolutely normal, and there we are at that place here. So first of all, you can reboot the system, make a wipe data factory reset, and so on and so on. We want to make a wipe data factory reset, so you can tap here. If the touchscreen doesn't work, you could use also here the volume keys, the volume down keys, or the volume up keys. So in our case, we want to be here at the wipe data factory reset, and you can confirm it by pressing the power button, or in this menu you can also use your finger. And then he wants to really know if we are sure, then we have to enter yes. So then we have to confirm here again. So let us do it this time here with the buttons. So power up button, volume up button, sorry, and then the power button. And so then he's asking if we're really sure what we are doing there. So go then here on wipe data factory reset, look down with the buttons, confirm with the power button, and now he's doing the factory data reset. So that goes normally very quick. So you can here see the percent running, and yeah, after, if it's done, you have to reboot the system. So go down here on reboot system. If you have problems with the screen before, it should work now also with the finger. So we go on reboot system now, and then the phone will start from the beginning. So install everything when you have to enter your Google email address and made a Huawei account, and so on and so on. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer questions. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or leave me some thumbs up. It's very, very helpful for my videos. So thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Hope you're a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, let me tell you that will take a few minutes, so absolutely normal. Don't worry.